welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be doing a special facial. We are going to be exfoliating our skin while tightening and firming the skin using a facial mask. So this facial mask is actually going to be doing double duty. It is loaded with antioxidants, vitamin A. It also contains vitamin C and vitamin E. It contains lactic acid that will help to shrink the large pores and have your skin looking radiant. If you're looking to get rid of wrinkle, restore collagen, this facial mask is for you. So don't go away, guys. Continue watching the video for the full recipe. At the end of the video, I will also show you how to use this amazing facial mask on your skin for best result. Our first ingredient is baking soda, and baking soda will help to clear the skin of hyperpigmentation. It will also help to clear the skin of grease and dirt, spots and blemishes, and it also will help to shrink large pores. So I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of the baking soda, and I'm just going to use a fork to make sure to get rid of all the lumps from the baking soda. Remember, baking soda is sodium bicarbonate or bicarbonate of soda. Now once this is done, we're going to be using some turmeric powder, and turmeric powder have skin lightening benefits that will help to get rid of hyperpigmentation on the skin, such as dark spot blemishes. It also have antibacterial properties that will help to get rid of blackheads, whitehead, and even acne on the skin. So I'm going to use about a half a teaspoon of the turmeric powder, and I'm going to add this to the baking soda. And now we're going to mix the two together, and we're going to mix well. So completely mix the turmeric powder in the baking soda, blend well. Now once this is done, we're going to use another ingredient in this. Now take a look at our next ingredient. Here I have some milk, and I'm using whole milk. Use whatever milk you have. So I'm going to start out with 1 teaspoon of the milk. Milk contains lactic acid that will help to brighten the skin. It also will help to get rid of spots and blemishes on the skin. It will also help to shrink large pores. And by looking at this, I need a little bit more milk. So this make it 2 teaspoons of milk. What we're making is a paste. So you do not want this to be too watery, nor do you want it to be too thick. So completely dissolve the milk in the turmeric and the baking soda. Mix well. And now this look about right. And we are going to add our final ingredient to this. Now our final ingredient is an ingredient of your choice. We're going to use a little bit of oil in this as a moisturizer, as an hydrator to the skin. So use your favorite oil. I'm going to use almond oil, but you can use olive oil, grapeseed oil, coconut oil. Just use oil of choice. And we don't need a lot, and I'm using only a half a teaspoon of the almond oil for this end. And now we're going to mix this in with the rest of the ingredients. And once this is done, our remedy is ready. This is what you're going to use on your face, your neck, and your décolleté to clear your skin of hyperpigmentation, to get rid of blackheads and whitehead, to get rid of dark spots such as acne scars, to shrink large pores, removing the dead skin cells. So to use this, guys, I'm just going to go on the other side and show you how to use this on your skin for best result. To use this mask, I suggest that you give it a stir before you apply it on your skin, and take a look at my skin before I apply the mask. You want to apply the mask to clean skin, preferably so that the mask could absorb in the skin easier. So remove all makeup from your skin and then you apply. You can choose to apply with a brush or you can choose to apply with your hands. I like to use my hands to apply. So you want to apply it all over your skin in circular motion. And this is good to apply on your face, your neck, and your décolleté. So cover your entire face with the mask, like I'm showing here. Now, once your face is completely covered with the mask, you're going to leave it on your skin, preferably about 30 minutes or so. What is going to happen? The mask is going to dry on the skin. Now, if you have dark under eye circles, guys, this mask is perfect to use under your eyes. Now leave the mask for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, it's going to be completely dry on the skin, and then you want to rinse this off, preferably with some warm water. After rinsing, pat dry the skin and apply your favorite skincare products. Now it's best to use this mask at least 2 to 3 times per week, and before you know it, you're on your way to beautiful, clean, clear, glass-like, wrinkle-free skin. Now store the leftover in the refrigerator and try to use this mask at least 2 to 3 times per week for best result.